Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's see what we have here. This is all we have for today's makeup. So let's start. So first we apply electrocalamine as the base. We'll blend it with our hands. Now with the foundation, she blends it with the blender. Okay. Now she applies BB cream. That's a Korean product. Blends it. Oh, I already got fair. It's rose powder. I don't know what it does, but it's just applied. So let's for the eye. Okay, for the eye makeup, some eyeshadow she applied there. The second color. On the both eyes, some third color for the corners. Oh, that's how I look now. That's some blush there. So she applies the blush, the left and right. Okay. Now what's it? What's that? Oh, that's eyebrow liners. Okay, so left eye and then right eye, I mean eyebrows. She blends the eyebrow liner with the brush. Now some for more eyeshadow. Okay, that's for the nose. Okay, so that's eyeliner. Very carefully on both eyes. Yeah. Still doesn't look okay. So now for the lipstick. Blend, blend, blend. Blend some more. Ooh. For both the eyelashes and eyebrows, it's colorless mascara. And then there's black mascara for the eyelashes. So that's the last. Compact powder for touch up. And brush. And final touch up for the eyes. For that shimmering eyes. And now here is the comparison of how I looked before makeup and after makeup.